To enable or disable fingerprints to unlock folder lock in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find biometric and security, and then tap biometrics and security. Scroll down, select secure folder, tap lock type, enter PIN, password, or drawer pattern if requested, and then tap fingerprints switch until blue to enable or tap until white to disable. Use your biometrics to unlock secure folder. You'll also need to set a pattern, PIN, or password as your screen lock type. If you disable, and then tap back, secure folder lock type as PIN, just PIN. And if you enable, tap switch until blue fingerprint, secure folder lock type as PIN and fingerprints. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.